everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today I have a haul for you from Dollar Tree, and I have a few clips I want you to watch before I do the haul of what I found at Dollar Tree today. So it's a little walk with me through Dollar Tree, and then I'll show you what I bought at the end. Okay, stay tuned. Would you guys believe they have fall flowers out already? So pretty. I love these pumpkins. Whoa. Look at this. Pampas grass. Whoa. I like these. I love these. I'm gonna get me some of those. Wow. I'm loving these cream colors too. I found more fall. Wowie wee wow. Look at this. I like this. I still like the grays because I like the blues and grays in my house and greens, and it just goes good with it. It's not even 4th of July yet. I can't believe it. I had those from last year. I have those from last year. It's cute. Cute, cute. I like this. This is cute. More signs. Wow. Okay, now we've seen everything. Now we got Christmas going on. Wow, talk about early. This is in back of the store here. Wait a minute. This is crazy. Christmas already. I thought fall was early. Now we got Christmas. Wow. Sleds are cute. Christmas wood cutouts. I can't even think about Christmas or fall. Christmas in Florida. Maybe it's Christmas in July. It's 95 degrees out. Silly. We go from Christmas to Fairy Gardens. They have a ton of cute things for Fairy Gardens. Super cute. I got the beach one. Oh my god, it's cute. I love those. That's super cute. A garden bench. Floral moss. Shells, I like those. Cute. Little birds. Super cute. Oh, they got strawberries. Oh my goodness. Really cute. Sand castles. My problem is I like too many things. But I don't know what else to do. These paints are new to me. Really pretty. Sky blue. Pink.
Yeah. You want a rock? That's not a rock.
Pretty.
Big rock.
And then these are new to me. I've never seen burlap canvas before. One piece. 8 by 10. That's neat. And they have a small one. Okay guys, I'm back. So, what do you think of that? Is that crazy or what? Or is it just me? I could not believe that I saw fall, then I saw Christmas. I'm like, what season are we in? So anyway, I figured I'd film it and show you guys what I saw today. And I did pick up a few things, not a whole lot. Let's see, I did get some paint. I thought this was really pretty. I've never seen these before, and these are a big container here. This one's called Powder Blue. I thought that was really pretty, and they are acrylic paints. So I got the blue, and this is pretty. This is like, it's called a Honey Rose. And that's pretty. And then this one is, I can't see. It's like a teal color. I can't see what it says. I don't have my glasses, but anyway, they had some really pretty paints, so I picked up those 3, and then I just picked up this for a plant. They have some nice planters there. And then I found this cute little one. It is a set of 3. And when you take them off, if I can get it off, they have bigger ones like this, but I haven't seen any big ones anymore. You're supposed to be able to stack them. Isn't that cute? You could put a bunch of plants in there. 3, 6, 9. 9 little plants. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there yet. I thought that was super cute. So I picked up that. And then I am going to do a bee theme soon. I'd like to do a lemon theme too. And I got some really pretty ribbon. And last week I didn't videotape it, but I did make this. This wood here is from a old Christmas tag that I had from last year. And I put this paper on it, cardstock. And then I just added the little ribbon, and I had a little bee. This little bag of bees came from Dollar Tree, probably a few months ago. And then I could put a little, there's a little hole, I could hang it up or put it in a tiered tray. So I thought that was cute. And then I saw these. I haven't made a wreath with these before, and I just put some flowers on the bottom and hung it up, and it came out really pretty. But I bought two because I was thinking about making a like a riser. I don't know if this sign's gonna be thick enough. I probably should get like a wood round, and I wanted to glue them on like this and put some feet on the bottom, paint the sign, of course. I'd paint it, and then glue these down and make a wooden visor out of it. So I thought that would be a good idea. And I did pick up some fall foliage, and I got the blue with the white pumpkins. I love it. I thought they were so pretty. And I got 3 of those, and I gotta tell myself not to get any more because I have so much from last year. And I did get these. I really love these cream colored, it says wheat. Doesn't look like wheat. Well, maybe this looks like wheat, but these look like little daisies or something to me. And I got 4 of those. I love those. They're really pretty. And then I bought this cute little vase, and what I wanted to do with this one, I'm thinking, is to wrap it in twine, glue the twine on it, put a pretty bow, this bee bow. I have a bee bow, bee ribbon. I also have this one I think I got last year. It has little bees on it. And put the twine, wrap it all around, put a cute bow on it. Maybe this bow with this one like I did a little tag, and put some flowers in it. I think that would be pretty. Then I picked this up. I never saw this before. It says it's for pool noodles. To cut them, you know how people use pool noodles for doing different crafts. I was wondering if this would work with the what is it called? The floral, hold on. Yeah, the floral, whatever it is. I can't think tonight. The floral foam. I'm sure it would cut through that just as easy. So that's what I picked up, guys. That's it. Oh, wait a minute. I got these too. Do you guys know that if you buy this in the automotive section, you get 8 of them? If you buy it in the craft section, you only get 5. So you can get 8 for $1.25. You can get 5 for $1.25. But I thought 8 was a good deal. And then I just picked up some pretty pens. I thought they were cute. Colorful. That's it, guys. So I hope you liked the video. I just thought it was crazy when I walked in there and saw all the fall and Christmas already. All right, hope y'all have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Me and Marlene appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. See you in the next one.